Hello everybody. It's been a while since I made a post on my YouTube site, and I'm making a new collector. I picked a piece of tempered glass that was on the side of the road for free. It's 6 foot or 75 inches by 28 inches wide. So I'm going to make a small collector, kind of different from what I usually do. I'll show you how I prep the cans for the fins. I put the fins in the bottom of the cans. All of my collectors have fins that I cut into the bottom of the can here. Show you how to do it. This is a piece of 1.5 PVC. Put the cans out, of course. Flip it over there. And I have a tool that I made with utility knife blades and a collet, a machine collet, and it cuts 6 fins all at the same time. Show you how it works. Light it up. Pop it through. There it is. Looks like. Cut the fins. Looks like that. Then I take I open them up. I take a 3/4 inch deep well socket. Open the cans up. About a little more, about 1.25 inch opening. And the fins end up, this is what they look like after they're cut. There. And that's it for that. I'll show you, I'm putting the cans together differently than I usually do. So I'll show you that in a little bit here. Okay, this is how I put my cans together. It's a new way. I've seen this on YouTube before, where they warm the can up. I got a little heat thing up here. Warm the can up and stick it down into another cutout can. I've never seen a collector completed that way, but I've seen it done this way, so I'm going to try it. So I've been putting some adhesive on the end of the can, and I use Loctite because it's real thin, and it does good at tight tolerances. It will stay glued. So I heat the can up. Got the collector column ready to go, and then once it's warmed up, it's off. Here, stick it in. It goes slides in pretty easy, and then just tap it. Probably 1/8 to 1 inch. Wipe the excess glue off here, and then look and see if the can's straight. You can move it just a little bit. And it ends up being fairly straight. The columns end up looking like this. Right through. They hold on pretty good, nice and stiff. My older columns, I would just put the cans together like this and silicone around the outside. This new way, there's no silicone on the outside, very little adhesive. And my older columns ended up looking like this with all this silicone and stuff around on the outside. But, they were pretty strong. But we'll try it this new way, see how it does. That's it. Alright, well, I got all my columns done, and kind of pieced it together here. show you what it's going to look like. You got a metal frame for it, and use 3-inch downspouts for the manifolds. Everything fits in there nice and tight. You got a little headroom for some insulation, and it looks pretty good. Still got a lot of work to do on it, but that's it for now.